everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're probably spent way too much time searching for the perfect pots and pans. You know the drill, they either don't cook evenly, they are impossible to clean, or they just don't last. I mostly cook in stainless steel because it's better for you, but it's kind of tricky to cook in stainless steel and also to clean them. Well, today my never-ending search for the perfect cookware might just be over. So I went to the Costco the other day when I stumbled upon HexClad demo, cooking without no oil using stainless steel utensils in the pot. I was really impressed, sold, into the cart it went.
It'll work on any type of burner. You can use it on induction, gas, electric.
Yeah, I have gas. Okay.
You can even use these on barbecue grills and smokers too.
Okay.
All right. Watch this. This is what makes this pan truly revolutionary, though. Is this? It cooks evenly and all the way up. You're using the entire pan. Not like the other pans where all you use is the bottom of it.
Yes.
Yeah. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees with your glass lid.
What about dishwasher safe?
Yeah, dishwasher safe too.
Did you put some butter in this?
No,
It's just egg.
that was just egg.
Okay.
So, in the same pan, guys, when you're doing sauces and gravies, use your mixer. They're metal utensil safe. You're not going to scratch them up. Watch this.
Impressive.
When you're done, put them in.
Let's talk about the HexClad 6-piece saucepan set which I grabbed at Costco. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Ooh, look at this. I mean, right off the bat, it's got that premium feel to it. Okay, first impression, the set looks stunning. The design is next level. I mean, just look at this HexClad pattern. It's hybrid of stainless steel and non-stick. It's like they combine the best of the both worlds. Stainless steel for durability and non-stick for easy cleanup. These are the Rolls-Royce of pans according to chef and TV star Gordon Ramsay. And the best part is HexClad comes with a lifetime warranty. So if anything goes wrong, you're covered. And especially I bought it from Costco, so nothing to worry about. This 6-piece set includes 2 quart, 3 quarts, and 8 quart saucepan along with the lids. Honestly, I can already tell that these are going to be my go-to pans for almost everything. It's got that scratch resistant coating, which means I don't have to stress about my cooking tools or utensils marking them up. It's oven safe up to 500, lids are up to 400, and it's also dishwasher friendly. Okay, before you start cooking, it's important to season your HexClad pans. It's actually super simple. It comes with instruction. Step 1. Wash in warm soapy water, then dry. Place on medium-low heat. Thinly coat the pan's interior with cooking oil. Leave on heat for 2 to 3 minutes. All done, you are ready to cook. On their website, the 6-piece set is valued at $467. I got mine from Costco for $299. So here's the deal. It's one thing to cook Western food, but cooking desi khana with all the bhuna and everything, that's another level of cooking. So the real test is going to be our desi cooking, and I'm thinking to maybe cook biryani or something very desi. So today I'm going to put this cooking pot to the ultimate test by making biryani. Make sure to comment down below if you want to see the biryani test and desi cooking in this pot. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. As always, happy cooking!